G here from OG Creations. I don't know about you, but the current state of our world feels depressing, untrusting, and extremely dark. So I need some color.
I think he needs a doctor.
Today I'm testing out the two newest ice dyes from DyeSpin, Summer Green and Sweet Violet. I mentioned in a previous video that I was looking forward to these new shades, and I can tell you, they do not disappoint.
No, they don't!
And like in that last video, I am starting with a control test, meaning the same shirt, the same tie-up, and the same method for the dyeing process.
You are a nerd.
This is a 100% cotton Gildan t-shirt from Amazon. It's been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes, and then using a spin-only cycle, it was spun until practically dry. Starting with the tee's right shoulder, I twist it. I lay it in my plastic trough that is set at an angle using my normal dye rack inside of a large storage container to catch all the ice melt. I top it with a ton of ice. First up, Summer Green.
Feels like a summer's eve.
I sprinkle the dry powder on top of the ice. I apply a heavy amount at the start of my twist, and then a light sprinkle over the last 2/3 of the shirt. I'm also using their Ice Dye Dust, a specialty blend of salts that can be used as a last step in the dyeing process to help the movement, bonding, and saturation of dye colors. The next color is Sweet Violet. It's a mix of bluish purples, turquoise, with a little pink. Again, I sprinkle the dry powder on top of the ice and then finish it with the Ice Dye Dust. Both shirts are set aside for 48 hours to melt and cure. They are rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that I have removed all the soda ash. They are ran individually through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. You can find similar items to these on my Etsy store by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them. I am dying for Summer Green. Green is quickly becoming a new favorite color of mine, so this one is extremely high on my awesome list. Sweet Violet is exactly that, sweet.
Says you gave him a toothache.
I got a lot more blue than I expected in this test, but I'm loving those tiny little peaks of pink that you see around the sleeve. I can't wait to play with the different fabric folds to see what breakouts I can get with this one. I must reiterate how much I love DyeSpin dyes. Their colors are so brilliant, and I love being able to support their small business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.